Do you think ear infections only happen to kids, or that antibiotics are always the answer? Let me stop you right there. What you think you know about ear infections might actually be wrong. Only kids get ear infections. Adults can absolutely get them, especially after colds, allergies, or sinus infections. All ear infections need antibiotics. Many ear infections, especially viral ones, clear up on their own. Overuse of antibiotics equals resistance and side effects. If there's no pain, there's no infection. Some infections are silent, especially in young kids. Watch for signs like tugging at the ear, hearing issues, or irritability. Warm compress for pain relief. Stay hydrated and use a humidifier during colds. Avoid Q-tips. They can push wax deeper or damage the ear. Homeopathic or natural remedies can help reduce inflammation and support immunity. If symptoms last more than 48 hours, see a doctor, don't wait. At Ishal Homeopathic, we help treat ear infections naturally without unnecessary antibiotics. So next time you feel ear pain or pressure, don't panic and don't fall for myths. Drop your questions below and follow for more real talk about everyday health issues. Let's get smarter together.